Good evening, Mid-Michigan. I'm Gabby Dunham, and this is your Fox 47 News at 10. Sparrow Health in Lansing is up against the biggest surge of the pandemic. For the first time since December, COVID floors are at full capacity. Earlier today, I went down to Sparrow and checked in with healthcare workers.
We were down to probably COVID patients on 1 to 2 units, about between 20 or less patients. And then really pretty unexpectedly, within a very short amount of time, suddenly the numbers were doubling very quickly. And it was a little bit disappointing.
Not only was the hospital taking on more cases of COVID-19, healthcare workers say the cases are getting more intense.
People are here for weeks, like on high flow oxygen BiPAP. It's hard to wean them down to be able to breathe on their own again.
Healthcare officials say there's slight progress as hospitalizations continue to inch down. As of Wednesday, Sparrow is actively treating 125 COVID patients in Lansing and 9 patients in smaller community hospitals.
Yeah, some people are working 16 hours.
It's just draining and relentless.
For nurses who have been battling COVID-19 for more than a year, one of the biggest changes has become the age of their patients.
So it's frightening to see 30s and 40s and 50-year-olds on ventilators and having them be so sick.
Our younger patients really aren't having a shorter length of stay either.
Vaccination efforts ramping up across the state are keeping these healthcare officials hopeful.
We need to do our part by getting vaccinated, keeping your mask on, washing your hands. Otherwise, our fear is that we'll continue to overwhelm the health system.
Thank you cards and drawings line the walls of the floor, thanking these healthcare workers as their battle against the coronavirus continues.